Hello and welcome to Table Talk. I'm Sophie, this is Amy, and we are back to talk about our week. So how was it?
Highs and lows, definitely. I'd say 80% high when we've reflected, but the lows have definitely stood out probably more for us.
Okay.
The bads are definitely real. We are daunted by the task ahead of us. We've thought big, we've thought ambitious, and as a result, we're not sleeping very well.
They tell you how hard, and then you do it, and it's 10 times harder.
Those highs though, Sophie, talk to us about them.
So we had an amazing day on Wednesday. We went down to a charity called Young Minds in London and listened in on their parent helpline. And what really stood out there was just how incredible the volunteers were, how they just dealt with any situation with empathy, with compassion, and really provided solutions to those individuals. We also had a couple of amazing conversations with experts in linguistics, experts in autism, teaching us all about the type of techniques that we should start to be plugging into Kit.
Since last week, we've had a couple of questions, thank you Mum in particular, on how Kit is actually going to work and what it's going to feel like. There are three aspects to that. So there's number one, there's for Kit to play coach. And we mean coach in terms of helping to improve communication within the family. So cueing the skills, playing back what's been said, more constructively maybe. The second role would be to be the confidant. Sometimes you need to get something off your chest, but you don't necessarily want to talk to anybody who's going to react to you. You don't need them to problem solve, you just need it out. So we want that confidant to help people externalize. And then finally, it's the early intervention role. By the time families pick up the phone, there's usually a really serious or crisis point. What we want to do is be able to signpost those charities and organisations at an earlier stage.
Another question we keep getting asked is, how are people going to interact with Kit? Where is it going to be? And actually, we want to start bringing Kit to life through in-home voice devices. So through Amazon Alexa, through Google Home. The next stage is we really want to enable Kit to have eyes and ears. So we want to bring Kit into the family WhatsApp group that we know most of you have.
And then the final piece is obviously bringing that pet and its features more creatively to life through little gifts, through little fun stickers, through smart connected devices in the home where you could actually see and welcome Kit into your family.
Ambitious.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't want to be anything but ambitious.
No, we are enjoying this journey, but we would hate to not be totally honest with you and say, it's been a hard week. It's been a tough one.
Yeah. So we have one final shout out before we let you go. We are looking to speak to families who have tweens, so between the ages of 8 and 12. We'd really love to validate our thinking. If you could help us out at all with that.
Thank you so much for listening as always, and thank you for just being there, whether it's on the end of this camera, whether it's picking up the phone to us, whether it's sending us cards, whether it's texting us to check in. We really appreciate it. We couldn't keep going without you.
You've got cards.
I have got cards.
I've not got any cards.
Please somebody send Sophie a card. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next week. Bye.